Today's top Pakistan current affairs, the 5th of July 2021, with download link available in PDF. These are the latest breaking news about Pakistan which will be helpful for aspirants in test preparation of current affairs, Pakistan affairs, general knowledge for NTS, PPSC, CSS, and other gov jobs, exams and MDCAT, ECAT entry test preparation. Let's get started. 1. Pakistan's image improving in the world through gov's policies. Federal Minister for Economic Affairs Omar Ayub Khan Monday said that owing to the good policies of the federal government, the image of Pakistan was improving in the world. 2. Mobile import taxes increased. Find out what you'll have to pay now. In the recent budget 2021-22, the government of Pakistan has announced to increase the levy on imported smartphones. The import duties on smartphones have been ramped up by 240%, which is really high. 3. Foreign Office denies reports of Russian President Putin's visit to Pakistan. Pakistan and Russia are close partners and friends. 4. All foreign troops must leave Afghanistan by the deadline. London. Any foreign troops left in Afghanistan after NATO's September withdrawal deadline will be at risk as occupiers, the Taliban has told the BBC. 5. Pakistan's development linked with Balochistan, says PM Imran. Prime Minister Imran Khan said on Monday that Pakistan's development was linked with Balochistan, saying Gwadar will be developed at all costs. 6. COVID-19. Pakistan reported 1,228 cases and 29 deaths in 24 hours. Pakistan also conducted 47,832 tests in the span of 24 hours. 7. Title-hungry upstart Suns and Bucks meet in NBA Finals. Two long-frustrated franchises, the Phoenix Suns and Milwaukee Bucks, will meet in the NBA Finals starting Tuesday, and one of them will put an end to an epic title drought. 8. Meera's social media accounts hacked. It is reported that Pakistani actor Meera's social media account, which include Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, have been hacked and are no longer in her use. 9. Latest gold rate in Pakistan today, 5 July 2021, is Rs. 92,770 per 10 grams, and the rate of gold is Rs. 108,200 per tola in Pakistan today. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.